Binaifer.
Good.
Starting with the recording. So, Kirti, you've done such amazing meditation for us, such amazing stuff for us today. And I'm sure we are going to go back home even more empowered. And we would like to give you a gift. And we have a little angel here who does brilliant Cowries. And yes, she's going to read, she reads Destiny with Shells. And yes, so she's going to be, you have any question in your mind? Or should she just pick up general?
So Anu, let me just show everyone first the chat like we do, and then we'll do
Please.
it. Okay.
Please.
So we've been doing Cowries since the last couple of days. So I'm just going to show you what the chart looks like. So this is the Cowrie chart.
Yeah.
Anybody
And
wants
these
to
are the
learn, please
Cowries.
tell us.
Yes, Anu is the one to get in touch with if anyone wants to learn. So we cast the Cowries on this chart, and the formation that it makes on this circle, we do a reading with that. And each of these circles has a meaning.
Yeah.
Include these. So that's how we do the reading.
Okay.
So now we will
Good to go.
start.
Wonderful.
Thank you. Okay. So for you, I have got a lot of brightness coming up in your life. If you feel there is a certain block which is not allowing you to go deeper, that will clear up very soon. And you're pretty protected. So another inward journey is going to start for you very soon. So you can be prepared for that. A lot of abundance, a lot of money coming your way. I'm seeing that. Family life is showing good right now. Just you have to work with a lot of intuition as far as your family is concerned. So that would be good. And overall, I'm seeing a lot of brightness, a lot of sunshine, and a lot of good things coming your way right now.
Thank you.
Most welcome.
Wonderful. Let's go with Dipti. Madam Dipti.
Dipti, any question, or should I just cast?
Dipti, you have any question? You're muted, my dear. We can't hear you. So unmute yourself and then talk. Yes.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yes. Yes. Do you have any question?
Yeah, in general, better.
General.
In general? Okay.
Yeah.
So Dipti, I'm getting a good inflow of money for you if you ask for help. So don't feel shy about asking people for help. People are there to help you. Just need to extend your hand and help will be there. If you feel that no, my job is not people related, then maybe you can connect with your angels, your guides, whoever you feel that you need to connect with for help. Family life is also showing good. It's growing. It's showing a little signs of abundance. Spirituality is there for you. You're getting some messages for that, but you're not following the messages that you're getting. You should work on protecting yourself, protecting your family. That is important right now. Work on that. So whatever little blocks are there, those are going to clear up. There is happiness at the end of the tunnel for you. So don't worry. Thank you.
Oh yeah, thanks. Thank you very much.
Thank
Can you tell me
you.
the blocks? How do you just clear that? I didn't understand that. How do you clear your blocks? I mean, protecting what you are
See,
saying.
there are many methods that you do. So like if you practice any modality, like if you're practicing Reiki or pranic healing or whatever modalities, there are so many. So through that, people learn how to do shielding or protection. Or if you do any mantras or any jap that you are familiar with. So whatever you've been practicing daily, whatever you're comfortable with, do that so that just adds to it, and it's there in your comfort zone. So you're not doing anything outside your comfort zone. So do whatever you believe in that will protect you. Even a simple intention that I am protected to the god or goddess or the force that you believe in, that also will help, I'm sure.
Oh, great. Thank you very much. Really.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
The name Jaima is calling me. Jaimna.
Most
Jaimna Shah. I don't know that I'm pronouncing it correctly. Ma'am, can you
Jane.
Jena.
unmute? Jaina, sure.
I guess Jena.
Yeah.
Any questions? Should I just ask?
Could you unmute yourself and let us know if you have any questions? Jayna, Ms. Shah. Okay. I don't see her
I think
unmuting.
Pari has also requested.
Pari, please could you unmute yourself and ask a question?
Can you hear me, Anu?
Yes, clearly.
Finally. No, I don't have any questions.
Okay. So, Pari, for you, there is going to be a journey. You're going to travel. So that could either be a physical travel or an inward journey. And family life is showing good. You're getting a little messages here and there about what you should do. So try and follow the messages, follow your intuition. A lot of things are coming up for introspection. So please follow the lead, follow your intuition and go with the flow regarding that. There is going to be a union as far as family is concerned. So is there a marriage coming up in the family?
No, the marriage actually happened in the month of October.
Okay, so there is some maybe a good news, maybe a child or something coming. So there is something good going to happen, a partnership or something. Somebody is going to get added to the family very soon. So
Okay.
that could be a possibility. And yeah, so if you're thinking of expanding your horizons, then do some spiritual work because it's really going to help. It'll help you change your perspective on a lot of things, and that again could be an inward journey. So that could be the journey that the Cowries are telling you about.
Okay.
And don't feel shy to ask for help, because when you ask for help, people are always there and things become easier for you. So
Thank
yeah,
you.
most welcome.
Mamta Rao. Let's do a reading for her. Mamta, are you there? Could you unmute yourself and tell us?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Any question?
No.
Okay. Today we complete 72 sessions.
Yeah, and I
My
complete a
goodness.
month today. Anu, I complete a month
Wow.
or doing the readings.
Wow.
Okay, so for you, I am getting that you are going to really do well in spirituality. You need to take that ahead, but be sure that taking that ahead, you're not blocking out your family life, because I'm getting certain blocks in your family life. Possible that the spiritual path could help you open those blocks that are there. You need to really look at things from a different viewpoint, from a different perspective, because you are the one who's blocking your abundance. There is a lot in store for you, a lot of good things in store for you, but you're blocking it yourself because you're not willing to move. You just want to be static and you want to stay where you are and not accept change. So the minute you accept change, the minute you accept a different viewpoint of a person, things will move and things are going to get really smoother ahead, because there's a lot of brightness that I'm seeing ahead for you. Thank you.
I feel that we must read for Kirti's son.
Thank you very much.
I feel we must read for Kirti's son. How old is he, Kirti?
I have two sons, so each one.
Let's read for both of them. How old is he?
Can you-
It felt like the younger one really needs the reading.
Okay. we'll do
I don't know what his name is though.
Sarthak.
Pardon?
Sarthak. He's in
Parker. So could you, Binaifer, do reading for him?
Yes.
Thank you. Tomorrow's session is going to be conducted by a lady who is a cancer survivor. she works with cancer patients, and she does something Kirti does. She gets people to do drawings. So it's worth a look as to how she does. So she's going to be doing tomorrow a session. So have a look. I've never met her, but I suppose she should be really good.
Anu?
Yes.
Before you, with the stones now, the reading, I didn't get what you said in the beginning. If you can repeat that later again.
I said,
is there something to learn it or what?
if the one that Binaifer is doing right now,
Yeah.
I am going to learn from her. If
Yeah.
anybody wants to learn from her, do let us know.
Yes, me.
Yes.
Please.
So shells is what she does. And anything new somehow just feels like it's great. It's not necessarily that you have to integrate everything, but it's nice to know what's there in the world. The mysteries.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Yes, the reading
Thank
for
you.
Partha.
Okay, so I feel he is feeling very blocked in a lot of ways. He's not able to maybe express himself the way that he wants to. And he will seek your guidance, I feel, very soon. And you will be able to help him come out of whatever issues that are there. Maybe he feels a little restricted as far as voicing his opinion. And once he's able to connect with you, he is going to do that.
Yeah. So
And
he's
he should.
a lockdown.
Sorry?
He's in Australia lockdown.
Okay.
Oh yeah, he's not able to connect
Yes.
to us on a daily basis. He's got a job, probably looking at which country to settle in. So that's going on.
Yeah. So I feel he should somewhere also work on his protection, like whatever he is comfortable with. But I feel he just needs to connect somewhere and work on that. Otherwise, it's all good.
You know, it was so funny. It just
Thank
kept
you.
feeling that he's calling out and saying, do it for me, do it for me, do it for me. So I said, okay, let's do it. Let's go with the next person. Last person in the list right now before we go for the whole group. I just need to see the group. So give me a minute. I still feel Miss Shah, if you're there, Jaymna. I don't know how to pronounce her name.
Jenna?
Jaina, are you there?
Is there a while ago?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay, can we do reading for her, please?
Yeah.
I'm going to mute you because your microphone is causing a lot of noise.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Kirti. I mean it. I'm feeling very, very happy.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you
for having me over. It is beautiful.
No, it's a pleasure. It's completely mine. Really.
Okay, so Jenna, right now you seem to be a little out of focus, and though there is good things happening in store for you, so just try and see the goodness that is happening to you. Try and see the goodness all around you, because right now you are trying to shut yourself off from everything. Are you feeling that way? Are you feeling that you're not able to connect?
At present, too many things are going on.
Yeah.
And so just do something else. But mind is diverted to office.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, so just try and maybe just listen to some meditation music, guided meditation or something, because that will help you bring back your focus. Because right now it seems that you're too scattered all around the place. So just do things that will make you feel happy and peaceful, whatever it is. Even if you feel like listening to a rock band, do that. But it means to make you feel good from within. So whatever that is, even tearing paper or whatever, just do whatever that's making you feel good from within.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Can you do for the whole group? And I'm going to do it for you today, Binaifer.
Oh, thank you.
You've been doing it for 1 month. And every angel needs someone else to be there.
Thank you. Okay, so for the whole group, I have got that all of us need to get our focus back. Somewhere we are feeling a little scattered, somewhere we are feeling that we need to do a lot of things which are not happening. So things will work out. We are protected, and we should just keep visualizing protection for ourselves, for our loved ones, and for people all over the world. That is what is required from us right now. And we just need to follow our intuition. A lot of us are not following our intuition. We need to work on that, and things will just start moving ahead for the betterment of everybody. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
Wonderful. I'm removing 5 cards for you.
you. Yes.
The first card is that you're healing right now when you're talking to everybody.
Thank you.
There's massive
That's
healing
wonderful.
coming in for you. Yeah,
Thank
because
you.
you're picking up a lot of blessings from people.
Yes. Thank you.
There are new beginnings for you, and there is
Wow.
something very amazing that's going to happen for you.
Thank you.
You need a chutti, a holiday retreat.
Sorry. Is it my network or you're frozen?
Am I still frozen? Am I still frozen?
No, I can hear you now.
Still frozen?
No, I can hear you.
You need to forgive someone. And mostly the person that we need to forgive is ourselves. We forgive the whole world. खुद के लिए हमारे पास जगह नहीं है उसकी.
True.
And the last one, it says you want to go out and be free like you were before. Inshallah, that too will happen. Thank you so much,
Yes,
guys.
till then my mind is free. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everybody. I am in deep gratitude to each and every one of you. This was 72 sessions today that we've completed, and it's only by God's grace that this happened. I never planned it out. And jo aage bhi hoga, it is something that was never planned out. If it happens, it happens. How long it will continue, I have no idea. Till 30th, we are anyway doing every day, and then we will break every Tuesday and Friday. So I will not stop it immediately. That's the messages that I got from other people, and especially from Saurabh. We are going to be having everyday beautiful speakers coming in, sometimes 3 talks, sometimes just 1. But if you have a child who would like to represent himself on this forum, and child can be of any age, right from 3 years, who can talk to someone who is maybe 20, 22, I would call that person also child. Someone who can give us messages from their pure heart. I'm looking for, how Amy said, I just eat, play, sit in the balcony, do stuff. They're very innocent. I want that innocence to be revived on this platform. Thank you so much. Thank you again, and see you guys. And I'm going to stop the recording right now, and we'll put on some